Hey everyone, Brian Zane here, reporting to you from the historic Cow Palace Arena, the site of all pro wrestling's Cow Palace Royale here in San Francisco, California. It's going to be an amazing night, a historic night. I'm going to be part of that history. I'm not managing like I usually do. I'm going to be wrestling tonight. My first match in 5 years, a 3-on-2 handicap match where the tag titles, my guys' tag titles, are on the line. So, no pressure.
You're just an amateur. You can try as hard as you can, but you can't handle us. I'm waiting at the plate and signing autographs. I'm always in first place, you always in the back. For me, I'm all pro, and you're just an amateur.
I'm sitting here in the stands of the Cow Palace. I'm just kind of soaking in all the atmosphere and the ambiance. It's a lot to take in, just to think about what's happened in this building and the history that's happened here in professional wrestling. This is the West Coast mecca of professional wrestling from a bygone era, and we're here now. The same building where guys like Ray Stevens and Pat Patterson and Jimmy Snuka and Don Morocco, Kevin Sullivan, Tonga Kid, Andre the Giant, Steve Austin, Eddie Guerrero, I could go on. Buddy Rose, Ed Wiskowski, the two men who trained me to wrestle, they were part of history here in this building, and now I'm a part of it as well tonight. And it's a lot to take in. I mean, just being part of the show is one thing, but the fact that I'm going to be having a match, it's a lot to take in. I'm just overwhelmed.
Big night tonight, big night tonight.
All right, guys, you know the thing is, this is a big match, big time match. Tag Team Champions still on the line, and I know that me being in your corner, you probably see it more as more of a liability than an asset. I get that, but you know, I'm gonna try my best. You know, you've been training me, you've been giving me all this knowledge, you've been a great gift to me. So now it only makes sense that here at Cow Palace Royale, I give you guys a gift.
Gift?
Check it out.
Just for us?
Just for you guys. Check this out.
No.
That's right.
No.
I made a call. Sweatcito, the fine folks of Sweatcito gave you some custom Statesman.
You got our logo on the back.
Our logo, your name. We're going to go out no matter what happens tonight. Sure, we're going to win, but no matter what happens, we are going to come out there at the Cow Palace in style. Put them on. Put them
These
on.
look like what Ron Starr used to wear.
I know, right? Ray Stevens even.
I feel like Nick Bockwinkel.
Nick Bockwinkel, yes, exactly. Oh, man. You guys look great. You guys look wonderful. You guys look like, well, kind of like me, but that's a good thing.
Champion.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Ready, champ?
Let's do it.
Let's
man.
go. Let's go. Let's go. You know, folks, as much as it pains me to say, I don't think I can take part in this handicap match tonight. It's just, I feel my back's getting a little stiff. I've been to the chiropractor lately. I'm feeling a little nauseous, a little stage fright. I don't think I can do it. But you know what? I think for the betterment of my team, I have to back out. But I have a handpicked replacement to help me out here. Come on, Mike the Maleficent Love Machine. Yes, for the Dumpster Fire Wrestling Alliance, Mike is going to help. He's going to replace me. He's going to be a great boon.
Hey, I don't think so. Wait, no. I don't think so. I haven't seen any paperwork of yours. I haven't seen any credentials. I haven't seen any blood work. No physical.
No.
You're not going to be part of this match.
What are you talking about?
Now,
No. Come on, Mike. No. He's my replacement. No, you can't do this. Come on.
I'm going to call out to relax at ringside one of the greatest wrestlers in history. He sold out this place time and time again. Say it with me. Pat Patterson! Woo!
Right. Okay, here's the deal. We're just getting ready for a match here. Here's what I need you to do. I need you guys to hit me as hard as you can. Yeah, one at a time. And here's the thing. I'm nervous about this, okay? Look, we're going against Will Hobbs and Marcus Lewis. They're a tough tag team. They're not as tough as you, but they're still tough. And if I get in the ring with them, I'm dead meat. So I need to be prepared with this. I need one of you guys just to hit me, boom, as hard as you can, okay? Get me.
Your arm's a lot shorter. I got it.
Hold this real quick. Okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, count me down.
Count me down, bud.
All right, on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
No! All right, guys, it's time. You ready, Levi?
Let's go, baby.
You ready, buddy?
Always ready, baby.
Let's do this.
Live power going down. Yeah.
Well, you know, I might have got beat up and I might have lost the match for my team. But at the end of the day, I wrestled a match at the Cow Palace, which not everybody can say they've done, and I consider it a pretty amazing honor. Not as Brian Zane, the YouTube personality, not as Brian Zane, the wacky heel manager, but as Brian Sheetal, I am just overwhelmed with this opportunity to be here in this historic building, to just kind of soak in the history and the tradition, getting to meet so many amazing people today, including the legendary Pat Patterson and Kevin Sullivan. All these guys are here, and it's just amazing to be in their presence as this match was happening, meeting so many more amazing fans. And I thank the fine folks at All Pro Wrestling for allowing me to do this, allowing me to perform for the audience in the way that I've been doing for a long time, but on the biggest stage so far in my career. It's a great honor, and I thank them tremendously for that. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed seeing me get beat up a little bit. I'll see you next time, hopefully not inside a ring anytime soon.